谢谢啊，我真不知道怎么感谢你才好。And you say, 不谢不谢，谢多了秃顶。Hello everyone, 大家好 Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how to reply when people thank you. We've learned 不用谢 or 不客气 in the textbooks, but actually there are much more expressions we native speakers use. Today I've prepared 6 sentences for different situations. Let's get started. First one, 没事 No problem, no worries. When people say 谢谢啊 and you say 没事 or 没事没事。2. 小事朋友嘛小事 a piece of cake 朋友嘛 We're friends, right? So when people say 感谢啊谢谢啊 then you say 小事朋友嘛 3. 没关系举手之劳 That's nothing, easy work. 没关系举手之劳 So for example, when people say 谢谢啊谢谢你啊帮了我一个大忙 And you say 没关系举手之劳 Very generously respond 没关系 piece of cake, that's easy work. 4. 您太客气了很高兴能帮到您 Well, this sentence is a bit formal. You can use it in a business situation. 您太客气了很高兴能帮到您 So, you're too kind, you're too nice. We're glad to help. For example, when people say 谢谢你们的服务很好 And you say 您太客气了很高兴能帮到您 5. 别客气以后经常来 or 经常来玩You're too kind, you're too polite. Come often and play with us. So, for example, 谢谢你请我来别客气以后常来呀以后经常来呀 Last one. 不谢不谢谢多了秃顶 Well, this is a joke, but actually you can use it when people say thank you. And you make the conversation happy. Literally means 谢 has another meaning like loss. For example, hair loss, we say 谢顶 So 不谢不谢 Oh, no thanks, no thanks. If you thank me too much, and I'm gonna be bored. So 不谢不谢谢多了秃顶谢谢啊我真不知道怎么感谢你才好 And you say 不谢不谢谢多了秃顶 There you have it 6 sentences to reply when people thank you I hope you enjoy it and I will see you very soon Bye